another exercise here. I'll be just drawing very simple one, and let's try. You can take a screenshot, you can take a picture with your phone, and let's continue. So head over, then I'll start with the front plane. We start from the center, so I'll need my center lines as usual for construction, and the midpoint line. That didn't work, so we'll try again. So we'll create this, and then we'll make this 2. Then we'll draw our circle. It has a diameter of 17 and 26. So let's add another one. (17) and then 26. So I'll make this one 17. Make this one 26. Then I'll draw my slots at the end. It has a length of 9 and a distance of 49.8. So from here to here is 49.8. And then this is 9. And having a thickness, a radius of 6.6. And then we'll draw another straight slot. The radius of 13.2. Then we'll draw this center point slot over here. Just an angle of 40 degrees. So you can draw a construction line to guide you, or we can just draw the center point arc slot. So after drawing, you just check the parameters. You can see this as an angle of 25 degrees. We can just change this to 40. So let's just use our guideline. Press escape, and then make this construction geometry. Then dimension this to 40. And you can just create a center point arc slot as simple as ABC, like this. And after you have that down, the radius is 42. Change this to 42. Then it has a thickness of 6.6. This is 6.6. Then it has another one, 13.2. So with the same approach, select the center as the first point. The center is the first point. Here is the second, and then this is the third. Then a radius of 13.2. We will have that, and then we'll draw this circles over here of 10.8 and then 24 diameters. So 10.8 and then 24. Then from this is 29. You can see here, this is the 29 from our line, reference line here. You have this as 29, and then it's 14 from the center. So from this center to here is 14. The next thing to be doing will be drawing our arcs. So there's also another circle here of radius 23. Radius 23 times 2 is going to be 46. And then we'll join this. This, then make sure that this is tangent to it. Okay, so on the tangent, we'll then check for this one of radius 9.6. We'll use a perimeter circle for these two. Okay, it didn't work. Let's try again. My mouse is a bit faulty today. Okay, so we have this here. And that's radius 9.6. So 9.6. Seem to forget. So this diameter, so change it, multiply it by 2 to get what you want. And then there's another one, 2 over here, with a radius of 10.8. A radius of 10.8 is going to give us diameter, which you're going to multiply by 2. So this has a radius of 10.8 times